Hi friends, let's learn today the difference between the full and bulk log recovery model. So normally we observed whenever it's asked in an interview, or the how the full recovery model is working and how the bulk log recovery model is working, people are getting confused while replying the answer and explaining the scenario. So in this session, I'm going to discuss the difference what we can achieve in a full recovery model and what we can achieve in a bulk log recovery model based on an example I'm going to tell you. So before starting the session, I have a request to you guys. I have created a playlist on my channel Tech and Art. If you go to my channel Tech and Art and click on a playlist, okay, so if you come down here, I have created the SQL Server DBA playlist. There are around more than 80 videos which is all related to complete SQL Server database administration, live scenarios based and the performance issues and day-to-day activity supports. Okay, so please visit this playlist SQL Server DBA. You will get the different kind of scenario based videos over there. Okay, so let me start the today session about the full and bulk log recovery model difference based on the scenario wise. If you look at this screen, let me highlight these things. One second. Just focus this portion, the highlighted portion. Forget about the everything. Here, what we are discussing here, the database in a full recovery model. Okay, so suppose your database XYZ, which is in a full recovery model, and this is the backup scenario. Okay, so the Sunday 12 night full backup is happening, and Monday to Saturday differential every night 12, and the log backup every 30 minutes. Okay, this is the backup strategy in your database. Okay, now the point is why I have taken the example. I'm going to explain you how it's differ full and bulk log recovery model. Okay, let me highlight this portion. If you look at this here, now focus this portion. So Saturday morning 9:20 a.m. your database got corrupted, and you are the in a on call or whatever in a shift, and you got a call your database is corrupted. Okay, so you starting the digging things. Now database is corrupted. Now only the option is you need to restore the database. Okay, so how you will approach the recovery the database. So what you will do, firstly we will take the tell log backup, and then we will apply the Sunday full backup, because as that database full backup is happening every Sunday, right? So you can take the Sunday backup and then daily differential backup apply it, and after Saturday whatever the possible log backups after Saturday differential apply all the log backups, and then you can tell. So your database is up to date till 9:20 a.m. If you want to details video, I have already discussed the backup recovery video in a go to the playlist SQL Server DBA. You will get the backup recovery in details. Okay, so here in this scenario, firstly you need to take the tell log backup. Okay, then apply the Sunday full backup, daily differential backup, and the log backups, and after that tell log backup. So your database is recovered till 9:20 a.m. Okay, so your database was corrupted 9:20 a.m. Saturday, and you have recovered, right? Now forget about this point. Now come to here. Just focus this portion. Okay, so now the problem is everyone is aware the full log and bulk log is working in the same strategy, right? Both are working in the same functionality mode. Okay, the only difference is whenever you have the bulk log load apply to, suppose let's say in a table today morning you are going to insert in a bulk operation, then in that case we prefer to change the recovery model from full to bulk log, and once the operation is done you change back to the full recovery model. Okay, the only difference is in a bulk log recovery model you cannot do the pointing time recovery. Why? I am explaining you. So here in above, as you can see here, we recovered the 9:20 am till 9:20 am Saturday. But if you come here in a bulk log recovery model session, so in this scenario, if your database Saturday morning from the 7 to 10 or somewhere around 10:30, you aware there was a bulk operation going on, so you change the database from full to bulk log recovery model, because it's a known task, some bulk log operation schedule on that day, and you have changed the recovery model from full to bulk, right? So as I said, I have taken the scenario 9:20 Saturday database corrupted, right? So 9:20 corrupted, so in database in a bulk log recovery model, so in that case you cannot recover database till 9:20, only you can recover the database till 9:30. One second, let me, till here only you can recover the database till, one second, let me take the curve, till here only, till 9. You cannot recover till 9:30, 9:20, because your database is in a bulk recovery model. So that's the reason, this is the difference, if you look at here. So this is the difference in a full recovery model and bulk log model. Full recovery model, bulk log recovery model working in the same functionality. Whenever we need bulk operation, we are changing the database from full to bulk. Okay, when the operation is done, we are revert back to full recovery model. But during that period, if some situation is occurred, your database is corrupt and all, so you cannot do the pointing time recovery. This is the major difference which we need to explain. If someone is asking what is the difference of full and bulk log recovery model and how it's working. So this is the major difference. You cannot do the pointing time recovery in a full and bulk log recovery model. Sorry, in a bulk log recovery model. You can do the pointing time recovery model in a full recovery model, but you cannot do the pointing time recovery in a bulk log recovery model. Okay, only in this scenario, only you can recover if your database is in a bulk recovery model till 9, right? In a full log recovery model, we recovered 9:20. But that 20 minutes data you cannot recover if your database is in a bulk log recovery model. So this is the major difference. So I hope you got my point, what I'm trying to say here. So whenever you reply, you can take a scenario and you can explain based on this scenario, so they can easily understand. So it's hope some kind of helps. Okay guys, in the next session what I will do, I will create a live session about this, and I will show you the live demo how it's working. Okay, till then thanks for watching guys. Wait for the next video. Okay, and we'll meet you soon. Thank you.